Hey Siri, battle stations. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday? Wednesday? It is Wednesday, my dudes. Good morning, Bobby. How are you?
Hey potate_o_no. I'm doing just as well as a Chotbitkin on a Wednesday. Any exciting plans for today or just the usual chaos?
Nothing too exciting. Nothing like, exploding exciting. But, yeah, we're doing okay. We're going to work on the rewards tab in this app. I'm real tired today. We did not sleep well last night, so we're going to do our best to get through it. Might be a little extra loopy, a little extra stupid. That'll be fun, I think. Question mark? Maybe? Oh, look, we're already all fuckered up. We're already screwed up. Don't screw it up. So we're gonna work on this guy. Can I even do that? I guess not. We're gonna work on rewards tab. See where it goes. I don't know if we'll get through the whole thing today. But let's get into it. That's something I wanted to talk about. I forgot. I got some new tracks. Let's see if these are any good. Let's check the volume on that. I think that's okay. I think that's good. All right. Bop. All right, so let's do Rosethorn Bud. We can erase some of these guys. So we did demo data. We did test flight, although I don't know if it worked for my co-founder. We're going to do Rosethorn Bud. We're going to do rewards tab. Rosethorn Bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, buddy. Yesterday was crazy. All right, so thorns. I did not sleep well. Whoa. What is this? Oh, look at you. I'm on like cool pencil. All right. Did not sleep well. I could actually probably end it at did not sleep. Pretty close to like did not sleep. I fell asleep at like midnight-ish. Got a couple of hours of sleep. Then Wyatt woke up. Then I was awake. Then just as I was falling asleep again, he woke up again. Got up out of bed came back to bed at 5 a.m. Slept until 6:30 and then got up. Oof. Oof. Just heard this song. Where are these new songs? Come on, bud. Come on, bro. It says this. Actually, this says. I don't know that this. I added to this place. I don't think it worked. Wait. I added to library, but I did not add to this playlist, didn't I? Oh no. Put it in list view, sir. Oh no. Come on, buddy. Who still uses iTunes? This thing's terrible. Listen, bud. What is all this? Oh no. All right. Burn playlist to disk? Is that still a thing that people do? Is that important? Buckety fuck, dude. I want all of these. Okay. Stand by. Recently added. Are these the ones I recently added? Okay. Okay. Put it in here. Aha. All right. Now, let's get back to what I was doing. Holy moly, I'm already a mess. All right. Did not sleep well. That's right. Roses. We fixed the crashes thing. That was good. A minor rose, but it's still kind of a rose. His homework yesterday went really well. Homework is always a battle in our house. Like kicking, screaming, throwing a fit, distraction every second battle. But yesterday it actually went really well. So I was pretty happy about that. Bud's sleeping. I am really looking forward to sleeping today. I also have a catch up with an old co-founder that I'm looking forward to. That's happening at noon, so it's almost 9 now, so it's not gonna be that long of a stream no matter what happens. Even if I don't fall asleep at my desk, which I might. I might just like night-night on you. Might just go night-night on you. What do you think about that? I mean, I guess people do sleep on stream. That's a thing that people do. Okay, so we're still having this code sign issue when I try to build over SSH, which seems super weird to me. And I kind of would love for that to, so here's what I want to do. I want to go I'm going to start up Visual Studio Code over here. You're not going to be able to see this. Just stand by. We'll start the simulator. Okay, now over here, I'm going to change the device to that simulator. iPhone 15 Pro, is that this? Yeah, it must be this. Okay, iOS simulator, yes. Not now. All right, now I'm going to try to run it again. So I'm trying to cut the problem in half. Because we definitely was able to do this in the past. We definitely had this working. I think what the issue is I cannot run code sign over SSH. And I don't think I need code sign to install in the simulator. I think that's the difference. That's my hope. That's my theory. That is my thinking. That's wild. What is going on here? Why does it push that? No. What happens if I push that? No. Weird. I'm having to do this like sideways. There's so many weird features. I don't want any of those. I said to move this to my iPad screen, and now, like, I don't know how to get it back. I don't know how to get it back. I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have done it. Alright, that works. Okay. So now I just gotta figure out how to send it back. I mean, I guess I could do it here. If I could get it to, like, not be a piece of shit. You know? Move back to Mac. Okay. So my theory earlier about code sign and SSH, I think, is correct. So let's spend just like a few minutes. Let's time box this to a few minutes. Let's get out of this, whatever this display is. I'm like weird thing. We get out. Let's go back here. Oh god, now this thing's all screwed up. There we go. There's that. Okay. Code sign SSH. Okay. Alright. Well then, you. No. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. Does this do anything?
My eyes, the goggles do nothing.
Goggles do nothing. Those sneaky goggles, man. Alright. Hey, there we go. Alright, now. Because what I'd like to be able to do, here's where I'm going with this. Here's what's happening. I'm not explaining what I'm doing. I should do that. What I'd like to be able to do is build. I want to use my Visual Studio Code on my main machine. So not having to do weird stuff with shared screen. Not having to do another capture card. Not having to do any of that stuff. I just want to build over SSH and have it go to my phone, and then I can have my phone replace this view, and then we're good to go. Right? But I need code sign to work. So what we're going to do is do this. I'm going to see if security unlock keychain. Okay. Now can we build? Will it code sign? Will it sign?
Here we go with the Mac antics again. Nothing like trying to unlock a digital treasure chest. Have fun unlocking your keychain. Maybe it'll be like finding the Holy Grail, except less historically significant and more tech support. Why also, if you need any sarcastic moral support, you know where to find me.
Thank you, Bobby. I appreciate your moral support.
Oh, you know me, always here with the unsolicited, possibly sarcastic support. Let's hope the co-design fairy grants us a wish and it magically works this time. Just remember, if it doesn't sign, you can always try bribing it with cookies or maybe some elbow grease. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed indeed. Okay, so that worked from SSH. So that's progress. So now then, will it work from Visual Studio Code? You. Stop that. Play. Oh no, failed to code sign. Son of a bitch. Terminal, no. Exited. Please start a debug session to evaluate expressions. No, I will not. Well then. Ow. Ouchies. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. Which just means we can't hit this cute little button. Okay. But we could probably do Flutter. What's in here? Flutter run on an attached device. What does Flutter run allow me to do? target. No, we don't want target. Device connection. Device user. Okay. How do I specify the specific device I would like to use? Listen, man. Listen, buddy. Flavor. Device ID. Aha. Aha. Okay. Flutter. How do I get the list of devices? Flutter devices. Haha. Found 5 connected devices. Awesome. Okay. Flutter devices. Do I need to use that crazy ID or can I call it by its name? Let's see. Flutter run-d get away artist. That's it. Aha. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I can feel it. It's all gonna come together. Now I'm not attached. I'm not attached though. I'm not attached. Piling, linking, and signing. Sign it. Sign that shit. Installing and launching. This thing wants to run a thing. Do it. Things are happening. Hey! Look at that. Alright. Coolsies. Coolsies. We have a pattern. Alright, so this guy I want. This guy don't want. Yeah, you. No, not you. Listen, friend. You. Aha. There we go. There we go. We are up and running. The Flutter DevTools debugler and profiler is available. Oh, look, I can just run things. Very cute. Okay. Okay. So we're working on this tab. Yes. And what it needs to look like. How can I show you this? I need to see it too. I need to see him as well. This guy needs to look like this third one. You have some points and you get some things. Okay? That's pretty straightforward, right? Okay. And then what's not pictured here is there's going to need to be a, like, I don't know if it's going to be like add to cart. I don't know if I'm going to do add to cart. Add to cart is so dumb. Just buy the thing. We're not going to use a cart because we're not shipping anything. All digital. to your stupid cart. Your cart sucks. I'm already getting stupid loopy. All right, full. I'm gonna bring it up over here on this other screen. You can't see it, but I can, and that'll help me to know what we're doing. Okay. Very good. Very good. Listen, buddy. You know what'd be kind of cool is when I get, oh man, come on, Fire. Listen. Eventually I'm going to be able to get back to working on the streaming thing, StreamTooth. And it'd be cool if I could do like multiple screen streaming, right? Okay. Okay. We still need to split this thing up into multiple files. Look how long this thing is. This is out of control long. We tried doing this before, and it became a big problem. So what we're going to do this time, I'm going to try something. Rewards. Dot. Dart. Okay, do I need to like I bet I do, yeah. Let's take these guys. And use that part, that's fine. And in here, we're going to do... Oh my god. Isn't this supposed to be on shuffle? I swear this is like the order I always hear. Okay. This thing watches Moni app state. This is where it gets tricky because there's like these like global things in here. This guy. Oh no. How can I have this be separate? Let me think about this. Does this watch that too? Build rankings tab page. And this thing just has build contact. This thing's like... Okay. Is this a class? I don't think it's even a class. It's just like a method. That method is part of this thing. Ah. Okay. Tab scaffold. Page scaffold. So can I do this like class rewards page scaffold extends Cupertino page scaffold.
Potate_o_no. It looks like you're diving deep into the code abyss again.
I am.
Maybe take a break before your brain turns into spaghetti code. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Kidding. Kinda. Anyway, about that multiple screen streaming thing, sounds ambitious. Just don't forget to feed Bobby some pizza while you're at it. Slice of pizza.
Slice up pizza. Slice of pizza. Okay. Doesn't have a zero argument constructor. Okay, we need a constructor. See, here we just have a method that returns that type. And we could just have like a class. What if we did this? Let's just have a class. We're not even going to extend it. Rewards page builder. Cupertino. Ugh. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, I've got a constant. Oh god, you better const that shit. Tell you. Constant. Is this what's your complaint? Unnecessary, because it's also provided by this other thing. Fine. Now. This thing is going to need access to a couple of things, right? Because it's going to need Firebase stuff. App state, Moni app state. Now I can just like, everything's passed by reference, right? It's not going to copy it, so I can just say, oh, but then I got a circular dependency. Oh, shit. Well, what is Moni app state? What is the type of Moni app state? Change notifier. I'm not even sure if I need this. Well, what if I do need to figure this out. I can't just keep adding to this file forever. This is ridiculous. So what if we took app state and we move that to also its own thing? Get profile ref. So let's say, okay, so let's go here, new file, app state.dart. Okay. And in here, we're gonna have a few things. We're gonna have this class. For that to work, we need a few things. We need Firebase stuff. It's not it. We need Firestore stuff. Change notifier, which I assume, is that part of this? Yes. Okay. And then we need get profile ref. We're going to make that part of the class. Okay. This is all going to go horribly, by the way. I just want you to know that this is all going to go horribly wrong. You don't need this. Fuck, I don't. Alright. Cool. Oh. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna have an instance, right? Yes, correct. Static Moni app state instance. How is so there are places where instance is just it's a getter. Okay. Okay, I'll make a getter. Get instance. Okay. Static Moni app state instance. It has to be equal to something. Moni. Can I do that? Guess not. The value. Try making it final. You try making it final. Okay, fine. Do it. Do it. Make it final. Okay. Getters must be declared without a parameter list. Remove the parameter list or remove the get. Fuck you then. God damn, dude. Listen, bud. Oh God. Don't need new. Right. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now, here in main. That's going to stay there because I'm sure other stuff is using that. But here, I'm going to comment this out. And it's going to get real mad at me about it. It's going to be like, what the fuck do you think you're doing? Right? Yeah. Now I have many reds. Oh, you can't see the reds. Oh my God. Now you can see them. Look how many reds. It's very angry. All right. So now I can say Moni app state instance. But can I also say Moni app state equals Moni app state dot instance, which is ugly. It's gross, but will it work? Because if it will work, then that is good enough for now. I don't see any more reds. Okay. So now here, hot restart. Well, wait, is it built? How do I rebuild? I need to rebuild. I have no idea if that worked. I don't know. I don't know. Dart. A new version of Flutter is available. You should upgrade, because that'll probably break everything. What you need right now is for shit to be broken. What I'm saying. run it. Run that shit. Oh, it ran the build again. Well, now we know we don't need to do that again. Okay. Okay, everything seems to be in order. Great. So, that's what we wanted. Very, very cool. So, what that means is now, before we continue with rewards.dart, what I want to do is break out more of this. So we have this build rankings tab page. So I'm going to, yes, rankings. So I'm going to create a new file, rankings.dart. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to just take this guy. You're not doing shit with it, you son of a bitch. Just relax, relax, relax. Rankings page builder. Okay. You gotta put some
Oh
shit
boy,
in
it
there.
sounds like you are going through the classic developer struggle.
Yes.
Breaking things into pieces only to put them back together again, just like Lego, but with more
Yes.
swearing. I'm sure
Many
it'll all
more
come
swear
together in the
words.
end. Just try not to throw your computer out the window in frustration. As for
Oh,
that
I'm
Flutter
throwing it.
update, yeah, it might break things, but who needs stability anyway? Living on the edge is where it's at. Also, a quick joke to lighten the mood. Why do programmers always mix up Christmas and Halloween? Because October 31st equals December 25th. Smiling face with open mouth and tightly closed eyes.
I like that joke a lot. Bobby, I like that joke. Achievement information.
Oh sure, just toss the code around like confetti and hope it lands in the right place. That's a totally solid strategy. Maybe next time, try throwing darts at a board and see if you hit the rankings page. But hey, at least you're staying entertained with your humor. Need any tips on coding while you're on a roll?
Oh, it's rank information, standing information, achievement information. Okay. Okay. So these are all their own classes. Are you good? The only thing with your problem is you need colors. Well, that's going to be part of material, right? Yes, it is. Standing information, rank information. Oh my god, is this gonna work? Holy shit. Standing information. Yes, yes. And rank information. This is where it gets dicey. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Moni app state. Okay, so now, because we moved app state into its own thing, I can import app state. Okay, and now you're good, right? You good? You good? Watch. Watch isn't defined for the type build context. Yeah, yeah. And now in here I can go Moni app instance. And then I need to move just heard this song. You just heard that. I need these formatter guys. Then the watch. Formatter guys and then the watch. Okay, so that's a start. We're getting closer to it not being a total shit show. All right, so now these formatters are gonna go into a util class. Everyone loves a util class. It's like the greatest. Okay, you and you. You come here. New file. Util.dart. And if I just put these in here like this, oh God, I need those things. Okay, not a problem. Those things are part of international. Okay, so you. We're just gonna vomit all over the namespace, or we're gonna, no, let's just create a class, dude. Class util. Quit vomiting on the namespace, okay? String, is it static string or string static? Static string? It is static string. Yes, yes. Very good. All right, so now we can util. So in here, rankings, we can import util dart. And now here, where it's angry, I can say you are util dot that thing. And you are util dot that thing. Hooray. Hooray. Now what is your problem? Context watch, build context. That's the one part that I don't know how we can fix. Undefined method. So maybe what is up here is that there is something that we have not included, and that something is just like a mix-in kind of guy. Is it a mix-in kind of thing? So we're going to take those three. Haha. Haha. It was provider. That fixed it. Okay. No more red. No more angry. Great. It's coming together.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Me too, me too. All right, so this guy, you guys, are now going to get commented out. And that's going to make things angry. Build rankings tab page. This is going to get commented out. Build profile tab page. Okay. Build navigation tab page. Yes. And then this guy, achievement information. I swear to God, it's playing the same 3 tracks. I feel like I'm taking the pills of a crazy person. Is it because, oh, you're like angry at some of these tracks? You won't play some of them. You're like, no. You did that one, all right. Will you play that? All right, let's listen to this song. Okay. I'm all over the place today. Yeah. All right. Achievement information, standing information, and rank information. All of you now get commented out. Okay, there's many angry things. That's okay. All right, so the thing we need at the top, we have app state. We're also going to import rankings.dart, and we're going to import util.dart. Now, in here, here's the first thing that's angry. Build rankings tab page. Now, rather than, well, you know what? Let's just comment this out, and we're going to say, I think we have to create a class, rankings page builder, and then we call build. Rankings page builder. Build context. Return that. Paw. How's that look? How's that look? Okay, now let's go down here. This is angry. Util. Okay, let's go down here. Util. Everyone else good? Everyone else cool? You good, bro? Save. All right. Here. Quit. Run. Build. I'm waking up. I'm feeling, you know? It's going. I'm gonna be happy when this is like tight and tidy. I like tight and tidy. Hey, there it is. It ran. Now can we go to the rankings page? We did. It worked. We understand how to do it. That is, dare I say, fantastic.
Wow, that's fantastic, Pee-wee. Thanks.
Okay. Now we can delete all this commented out code, all this green mess, this wall of green, and just go away. We love that. I love that for me. Okay. Now, the thing is still far too long, but it's almost a page. Almost all on the same page, which is like really good. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is, similarly, we're gonna move profile into its own guy. Profile.dart. Oh, and we need home.dart. Home.dart. Okay. Now in here we've got also quite a mess. Quite a mess indeed. Build home tab page, home. So we're gonna take this guy out. I'm gonna comment this. Whoa, no! Comment that guy. Whew, calm down, Rod. Jeez. Home.dart, and in here we're gonna have package. You know what? We're just gonna go like this, and we're gonna go package import. You know what? We're going to copy and paste these guys. And then in here, we're going to have a class. What do we call it over here for rankings? Rankings page builder. Home page builder. Yes. Yes. And this all needs to be not commented out, sir. And this is going to be just build. What's your problem? What is your problem? Listen, friend. Okay, now you need to be properly indented. Okay, now we need event information and we need user information. We need both of these things. Okay. Okay. Oh. You ever get like really tired? You ever just like not sleep? Don't recommend it. Build a, wait, where am I? Event information, stateful widget. And in here is event, build event list tile. So that is not the whole thing. I need this stuff too. That is, I need all these things. I need all of you. Here, paste, here, comment, back here. Oh my god, it's so much red. The red is so mad. It's so very mad. Oh god. Okay, no problem, no problem. So these, right, these need to be outside of that. Okay. So now we have this. This needs to go away. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Very, very good. Very, very good. Now that is
Oh
easy
boy,
to fix.
potate_o_no. You
Oh
are tangling
boy.
yourself into a real spaghetti code here.
I really am.
Don't worry, I'm sure it'll be delicious once it's all untangled.
It's gonna be so
Just
good.
keep reminding yourself that refactoring is like therapy for your code. And hey, remember to breathe in between those copy-paste marathons.
You got
Also,
it.
about that lack of sleep thing, you know what pairs well with debugging? A nice
Sleep.
nap. Just saying. By the way, why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Smirking face.
Ah. Very clever. Okay. No, no, no. Undo that. Do that. Yeah. Spaghetti. It's not that much spaghetti. Come on, bro. You don't know. You don't know. All right, so now I can import home.dart. Hooray. And here, rather than returning that, I can return home page builder, build of context. Okay. We're refactoring. We're refactoring. We love it. Why are you red? Removed lines. Okay. Great. Oh, is that like source control tracking? You do it. You track that. You just do those things, okay? All right, so now we're going to try it again. We're going to run it again, run it again. And once that works, we can delete a whole... look at all this green. This whole wall of green gets to go away. I love that for me. Oh, this song again. There's something seriously wrong with my playlist. It's just playing the same thing over and over and over and over. And it's making me real upset about it. Getting real spaghetti about it. Yay, deleted that. And I deleted that. Okay. Spaghetti. All right. All right, spaghetti. One more to go. One more to go. One more to go. We're going to take this guy and we're just going to just bloop, bloop. Hey. Spaghetti. Okay, now I need profile stuff. Yes, profile stuff. Profile mans. Now in here, these are part of that class. So I'm going to take these guys, this guy, this man, all these mans. Put these mans in here. Here you go, mans. Oh no. Terrible things are happening. Oh my god, so much angry red. That's okay. Gotta fix it. Know that we know we need this stuff. Some of that stuff is that stuff. We need auth. We need some of that stuff. We need one of these. Hey, we need this man. Probably need core, right? Probably need this guy over here, one of these guys. No? I guess not. Link configuration. Who provides that? Who dares? Who dares? Link configuration. Who are you? Plaid Flutter. Okay. Got it. Got it. This man. Hey. Oh my god, it's still so red. Like. Now it's less red. HTTP. I guess it's you. App state, that's easy. Hey. Okay. These things I don't need, that thing I don't need, that thing I don't need, these things I don't need, and this thing I don't need. It seems like I'm missing a bunch of stuff here. I don't need util. profile, page builder, build context. This guy goes away. Okay, so this guy, and this guy, and this guy, and this guy, and all of this, and this, all these things go away. Oh my god, look how short it is. It's not like just a sea of scrolling. I love that. Okay. And honestly, I think this one's going to go away too, because rewards is going to return this thing. Rewards page builder. So this is going to go return rewards page builder. Oh, and it's like that's index 2, right? So I want that. Oh, can I not cuddle? Or are you gonna undo what I do here? And wouldn't this look better as a switch? I guess not. What is this? Rewards page builder, build context. You need to import it. Import rewards .dart. Don't we need profile? Import profile .dart? Or profile .dart? Not used. What are you talking about, buddy? Profile page builder. That's profile Dart. Duplicate import. Where else did I import it? Is home imported? No. Profile. Oh, it's way up there. Look at you. Why are you up there, dude? Don't do that. Okay. Oh, it did. Oh, I hate it. I hate you and everything you stand for. Switch index. Case 0. Is it gonna be mad at me if I kind of do this? Are you gonna be good? Comment this out. Okay. Are you good with that? Are you good? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I can't see my chat. Oh, there's nobody here. Oh, that's good.
Don't worry, I'm always here, lurking and judging your every move. Sounds like you're knee-deep in code chaos again. Did you manage to tame the import beast? Maybe try bribing it with some coffee or debugging snacks.
A non-null value must be returned since the return type widget doesn't allow null. So technically, let me see. Alright, so I kind of don't want to build this like, I don't want to return this. So here's what I'm going to say. Here's what I'm going to do. Return. Something went wrong. Oh no. You okay with that? It's not the type you're looking for, is it? I suspect that will actually be a crash. So maybe I should not do that. Maybe I should do something more appropriate. I need a Cupertino page scaffold, and that needs a child. Weird. Okay. Alright, so let's go. Let's just like put that. No. No! Fine. Fine. Okay, tight and tidy. Pretty tight and tidy. Not like ultimate tight and tidy, but like also not bad. Not bad. Sign-in stuff. Where is sign-in stuff happening? Moni demo app. Moni tab scaffold. Okay. Aha. So we build sign-in page instead of building, and the build sign-in page is just an okay. Okay. I can live with that. We should check that though, huh? Just check it. Let's check it. Sign out. Sign in. Hey, I get to use Face ID. Nice. Link to Plaid. Does this still work? Yes, do that. Oh yeah. Continue to log in. Uh-huh. Yes, get the code. My code is do these things. Yes. I agree. I love that for you. Pass back. Success. A great success. Oh. Cloud Firestore. Permission denied. The caller does not have permission to execute the specified operation. Well, we're waiting.
Well, we're waiting.
Yeah. Okay, well that's kind of a problem, right? It's kind of a problem. Where does that happen? It's happening in profile? Yeah. Firebase Crashlytics. Permission denied. Okay. I don't understand where that could have even happened. Oh well. We'll come back to that. That is not important right now. What's important is we have this thing, and now we need rewards tab. Okay? Rewards tab right now says hello. The tiny text up in the top. There. Right up there. Can you see that? Oh. Well, you probably can't see it. It don't matter. It's up there. Trust. Okay? Second. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Fat lot of good. All right. All right. So now we need in here, we need the points. Okay, so this is going to be similar to rankings and home. we'll start with rankings. Okay. There we go. Okay. Great. And I think, you know, we're probably going to want to change these later, but we're not going to do that right now. We're not going to do it right now. We'll come back to that. So we have this rank information, which we're going to copy. Copy this guy. And this is going to be called A. Refactor. No. Rename symbol. Points information. Okay. I need provider. No. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Linear progress indicator is probably part of material. Yes, it is. We won't need it though, actually. We're gonna just take it right back out, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yeah. Rewards. Okay. Okay.
Sounds like you're on a roller coaster of code there, potate_o_no. Need a hand or just someone to hold the metaphorical flashlight while you work? Also, remember, when in doubt, blame the compiler. It's always their fault. Face with tears of joy.
Face with tears of joy. Yes. Your points are good for use with any partner in the Moni network, is what I want to say. So. Your points are good for use with any partner in the Monility network, period. Face with tears of joy. What's your problem? Use const literals as arguments. Try adding. Okay, just, you know what? Do what you want to do. That's fine. Go ahead. All right. All right, now we've made changes. Can we hot reload? We're performing hot reload. Reloaded 2 libraries. Hey, look at that. Hot reload. We love it when it's hot. Okay. Oh, yes. Very good. Oh my gosh. Have I mentioned that I'm tired? I guess not. All right. Okay. I like the disco music. All right, so I had some comments in a document that was like, this is what we should do. Let me go back to that. Alright, so we need a rewards tab that shows charge credits, it shows charge point home charger discount. We have to show that we've spent points. And charger priority reservation. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Before we do any of that, I'm going to take a quick break. BRB. I'm going to put it on this. Be right back.
Most people take their fridges for granted, but life would be very different without them. Probably the earliest record of artificial cooling comes from ancient Egypt, where there are records of slaves being employed to fan earthenware pots. That was the same idea as this, the earthenware milk cooler. You put water in the dish down below, and that keeps this cover wet, and it's the evaporation of the water that cools the milk inside. The other method of cooling things, used extensively in ancient Rome, was simply to collect snow. Using a bit of insulation, it can last a surprisingly long time without melting. The Romans not only cooled their wine, but they also made ice cream. By the 19th century, various other liquids had been discovered that evaporated much faster than water, like alcohol. If I dab some on my hand, the cooling effect is quite noticeable. It's evaporating so fast, my hand's almost dry already. And this produces even more rapid evaporation. It had been discovered that various gases, when they're compressed, can condense into liquids. And in fact, this is carbon dioxide in this cylinder, and under pressure, it's actually a liquid at room temperature. If I open the valve, it'll shoot out of this pipe and evaporate very rapidly back to a gas, and the cooling effect is quite dramatic. You can see the black pipe has now gone all white because it's covered in frost. If this gas was collected and compressed again, it could be condensed back to a liquid and a sort of cycle could be established. And this is exactly the principle of the modern fridge. The liquid under pressure escapes through the restriction valve. As it evaporates to a gas, the pipes get very cold. The gas is piped back to a pump where it gets compressed and heated. The hot gas then cools and condenses back to a liquid, still under pressure. The cycle then starts all over again. The first patent for a machine like this was granted in 1834 to Jacob Perkins. At the time, Perkins' invention was not greeted with much interest because there was already a well-established natural ice industry. Ice was cut from the lakes in America on a vast scale. By 1890, it was harvesting 25 million tonnes a year. Britain imported over 500,000 tonnes, partly from America and partly from Norway. It was stored in giant wooden ice houses, where it could last all summer. This ice was delivered about twice a week by the icemen. They put it into these domestic ice boxes. The ice went in the top and the food goes in the bottom. The ice slowly melted and ended up in a drip tray which had to be emptied every day or two. Well, the natural ice industry was well established in Europe and in America, but in Australia the winters weren't really cold enough to produce much ice. In 1837, James Harrison emigrated from Glasgow to Australia. He became a journalist, but his real obsession was refrigeration.
Oh dear, I cannot concentrate, it's too hot. If only I had a wee machine to make ice. Aye. Oh, this...
His first machine didn't work, which he blamed on inferior colonial workmanship. He then went to England and persuaded a Dr. Seeby to make one, based on Perkins' design. By 1858, Harrison had brought Seeby's machine back to Australia.
Here's my machine, and here you see a perfect lump of ice. Alright, there's a flywheel here, right? Make sure it's well adjusted.
Harrison was then commissioned by a brewery to build a commercial refrigeration plant. So cooling Australian lager was the first practical use of an artificial refrigeration machine in the world. Ice factories soon opened up in England in competition with the natural ice warehouses. The Lowestoft Ice Company was one of the first, as David Forster remembers.
The ice company originally began in 1898, and it was my great-grandfather, Mr. W.F. Cockrell, who decided that ordinary ice from the glaciers, the Norwegian glaciers, wasn't sufficient for good quality ice, so he decided to make artificial ice using ammonia refrigerant, which happened to come on the market in the 1870s, 1890s.
Can we just watch this?
Water is placed in the ice molds, which are then lowered into the giant brine tank.
I haven't seen this
The
one.
circulating brine is cooled by pipes full of the ammonia refrigerant to about -10 degrees centigrade. The brine tank is vast, the size of a public swimming pool. After a few days, the water in the moulds has fully frozen and is ready for use. To extract the ice, the moulds are first transferred to a bath of warm water to loosen them.
Amazing. Amazing. All right. Where are we at here? We got this thing. We got a gang thing. Okay, now we need a list of things. Okay. So this will be similar. Oh, we need that too. Yeah, we got a lot to do. Ugh, cold. So we need something kind of like this. But with like logos and stuff. So we don't need to go through all this. We just need a list tile. The list tile has what? Okay. What kind of thing was it? List tile. Oh, I'm chilly. Let's just review. Returns a container. List tile. Hot reload. I like it when it's hot. Didn't work though. Didn't do a goddamn thing. What the hell's wrong with you now? Oh, I'm running out of steam. Oh, it's only 10:30. I can't quit yet. Bro, where's the thing? Why doesn't anything show up? Okay, points, question mark? Yeah, that worked. Okay. Network, question mark? That worked, yes. But where is this part? Let's take out the list view. Okay. I'm tired. All right. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. It's not working. Come on. I'm just guessing now. I got real quiet and I'm just guessing. Means I'm hitting the wall, as they say. Oh, well, fuck, dude. I got a real mess going. No wonder it's fucked up. Oh, man. You gotta not be. What's wrong now? man. I got so much clear up shit to do. I'm so tired right now. Okay. All right, Bobby, what do you think? Should we call it here? I'm getting too tired.
Well, considering it sounds like your brain is about to melt into a puddle of confusion, I'd say calling it here might be a good idea. Sleep is essential, you know. Plus, the internet fairy won't magically fix things overnight if you keep staring at the screen. Go get some rest and tackle it with fresh eyes tomorrow. Or maybe just pray to the tech gods for some miracle. Either way, I'm here for the snarky commentary when you're back.
Fair enough, fair enough. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna call it here. Tomorrow, I'm going to be off for most of the day. Might do a late sign-in, we'll see. And then we'll pick it back up, worst case, Friday. And I don't think we'll be able to play video games on Friday. We might have to work, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's see where that goes. All right. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.